This is my BoxyCharm unboxing close-up and Onyx. He's come to help me. This is for, he's like getting in the middle. This is for, I'll just let him be in the shot. This is for August. I went ahead and cut this sticker already. So it's kind of a small box if you can see. Like it's a two-hand. If you can see next to Onyx, he's holding it. Hi there. So cute. Okay. So let's see what's in here. He's going to be excited to see it too. So Go All Out is the theme. It looks like it's travel vacation. Here's the stuff. We'll put that aside. And here's everything. Oh, we're supposed to go one by one, but let's go with this one first. What is this? This is Frank Body Caffeinated Face Moisturizer. Nice. Okay, so I am running a little bit low on face moisturizing cream. So I'll try this and I'll see what that does. He's not interested in that one though. Let's see, the next one is Pearlise. Oh my gosh, Ageless Glow BB Cream, SPF 44. Let's see if it's my color. I guess I have to open it up. Look, he's not impressed with that one either. That, I was going to buy this. I have the sample, and I really liked it. And so now I don't have to buy this, so that's nice. Light. Ooh, this might be a little light for me. I'll try it, though, and see, because it is... Well, it is supposed to be like a little bit of a lighter coverage. We'll see if light works out. He's uninterested in that one as well. The next one is... Whoa. He's getting into the box now that it's getting empty. The next one is this Hibiscus Unspottable Correcting Oil. I don't really have a lot of spots. I have like one small one on my hand. So, I could try it on my hand and see. He's still not that interested. So it's just this. How to use, apply a couple drops. I'll try it. I'll just see if it does anything. Okay, and then the next thing is Shadow Flip by Ciate Multi-Chrome Shifting. That's cool because I was going to buy... Look at him. He's side-eyeing. He is not impressed with these items. I am, though. The BB cream I would have bought. I was interested in this. Oh, he's scratching the box. You are funny. You are funny. Can you hear that? He's scratching the box. Okay, this is the last thing. And it is... eyeliner. Oh, here we go. Gel waterproof eyeliner in Xano. Oh, he's a little interested in this one. Probably because of the noise. He's like scratching. He's hugging the box. He's so funny. He has to get involved in every little thing we do. And he's very interested. Okay, he likes this one. Oh, he likes this one. He's like all about it. Okay. Let's see. Oh, it's just black. What's that? Oh, no. Don't bite the open. He's like really into this one. There. Look at Kitty. Okay, so that is everything in my BoxyCharm. This eyeliner is Onyx approved. He didn't care that much about the other items. Do you get BoxyCharm? What was in yours? Do you like the items I got? Let me know in the comments below. Also consider subscribing for more cute kitty content and surprise kitty content here and there because they just like to come and hang out and see what I'm doing. But anyway, that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching.